Have you ever seen an athlete bathing in ice water after a game or hard workout? Well, that's because they're taking advantage of the benefits of taking cold showers. Some of the most successful people take cold showers, and you might be wondering why people would put themselves through the torture of taking a cold shower. In this video, we are going to be going over the benefits of cold showers and how taking cold showers will improve your quality of life. Now, before we get into the video, I'd just like to ask for you to leave a like, and if you like more videos like this, then make sure to hit that subscribe button. The first benefit of taking cold showers is to increase your immune system. Scientists have proven that taking cold showers increases the number of white blood cells in your body. One study showed how taking cold showers makes you more resistant to certain types of cancer. Also, a clinical trial in the Netherlands showed how people who took cold showers call into work sick less than people who don't. The second benefit of cold showers is that they decrease stress levels, which happens from a process called hardening. By taking cold showers, you're putting your body under stress in a controlled environment, and by doing this, your body gets used to a certain level of stress, which then becomes the new normal. This process helps you keep a cool head when you are in stressful scenarios because by exposing yourself to the cold in a controlled environment, you give your mind and body a chance to calm yourself in a stressful environment. That goes into the third benefit of taking cold showers, which is controlling your emotions. By putting yourself in a controlled, stressful environment, it gives you an opportunity to calm your body. The first sensation of cold will cause an immediate reaction from your body, making your body go into fight or flight mode. Rather than embracing the fight or flight mode, you get the opportunity to calm your body and fight back against your natural instincts. This gives you the power for the next time you're in a real-life, stressful scenario to calm your body and react with logic rather than emotions. The fourth benefit of cold showers is weight loss. If you're someone who struggles with their weight, then cold showers can help you with that. Researchers have shown that by enduring a cold shower directly increases your metabolic rate, essentially speeding up your metabolism, which causes you to lose weight. The fifth benefit is an energy boost. This is why we recommend taking cold showers in the morning, as this is part of most successful people's morning routine because it gives an energy boost and is a great way to start the day. This benefit does not have to be limited to the morning, as if you want an energy boost late at night to finish up a project, then a cold shower is an amazing way to hit that reset button, which will give you enough energy to finish any late night work. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, and if you would like more content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button as well.